Good morning children, welcome to the math session. In the earlier session, we have learned fill in the blanks questions. In this session, I am solving 2 mark questions. The first question is question number 1. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. The given diagram is okay, 50 degree, 150 degree, 120 degree, and this is x. So A, B, C and D. Correct? So what to do? A, B, C, D is now what? Quadrilateral. So what will you do? We use the formula. Sum of interior angles of quadrilateral, sum of interior angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Correct children? Sum of interior angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So what will now? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. So overall is equal to how much? 360 degree. What is the angle A value? 50 degree. Angle B value is x. We have to find out the B value of B value as x. C is what? 120 degree and D is 150 degree. Overall 360. Correct? Now what to do? 100 plus 1, 200, 250. So this will become 300. X is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 300 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. What is the value of x from the diagram? The x value is 60 degree. Write down the answer. Okay, I'll solve one more question. The second diagram is B, okay, this is 90 degree, A, B, C, D, and this is E. So this is X, and this is 70 degree, and this is 60 degree. So this is 90 means automatically this angle also will become 90. Understanding? So this side 90 is there. 180 minus 90 means the interior angle will become 90 degree. So we should find the value of x. So as usual, now ABCD is a quadrilateral. Sum of the interior angles of quadrilateral is 360. Angle A is how much? 90 degree. Angle B, x. Angle C, 70 degree. Angle D, 60 degree. Overall 360 degree. 90 plus x plus 70 plus 60. Overall how much? 360 degree. Next, 90 plus 70. How much? 160 degree. Correct? 160 plus 60 degree. 220 degree plus x is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 220 degree. X is equal to, correct term, 9 plus 7, 160, 160 plus 60, 220. So 360 minus 220, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 2, 4, 3 minus 2, 1. So what is the X value? The X value is 140 degree. These questions are carries 2 marks. Better answer. Okay, one more diagram. See, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. Total how many sides are there? 6 sides are there. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F is a quadrilateral, especially hexagonal. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is it told? To find out the value of x. So according to this diagram, has not given any angle. That's why all the angles of quadrilaterals are equal. That's why angle E plus angle F overall 360 degree. Next, x plus x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 360. How many x are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6x is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 6 are. So what is the x value? Each interior angle of a hexagonal quadrilateral is 60 degree. Better answer. Okay, shall I go for second reading? The second main is find the measure. Find the measure of each exterior angle of the following: of regular polygons, polygon of A 9 sides, B 15 sides. Look at it, children. Find the measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon is there. So already we have learned the formula, that is each exterior angle of polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by n. So how will we represent? Exterior is there. E we have to take angle 360 degree. E represents exterior angle divided by how many sides are there? 9 sides. 9 ones are 9 fours are. Correct? So each exterior angle of a regular polygon is how much? 40 degree. How many sides are there? 9 sides are there. Each angle is how much? 40 degree. Same question will come here. Each exterior angle of polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by n. Angle is equal to 360 degree divided by 50 degrees there. So 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, and 3 4s are 12. Each angle is 24 degree. Each angle is how much? 24 degree. So write down the answers and practice them.